Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back. We are going through my February kit lineup. It's obviously going to be a Valentine's Day month, so let's get into the cute kits. We're going to start off with January 30th to the 5th. I include this week because it is mostly in Feb. And that's just how I like to do it. But the first kit we're using is Scribble Prints Co. Frosty. This was my winter slash first Valentine's kind of art this year. I thought it'd be cute to have like something that could be for winter, but also be romantic enough to be in Valentine's, because I know that I like to use winter throughout, because it pretty much doesn't stop being winter here until like the end of March or even in April. So I think this would be a good option if you wanted to, if your January was full and you liked it for Feb and still wintry where you are, then I thought this was a perfect option. But yeah, so I'm going to be using this one for the sort of transition from my like super winter January kits into Valentine's, and I think it's just super cute. We've got all the options here. I got doodles. I got a few fashion options. I decided to pick up two of these because I wanted to actually cut, because you can cut right down the middle here and you can mix and match your girls, which is sort of the intended result. But and then I'll probably use this one for to be more coupley. Well, they're both couples, but But yeah, it's just a really soft blue and pink pastel kit. So just looking through that, I don't know, I'm really happy with how it came out, and I am pairing it with, first of all, this foil bundle from SPC, which is sparkly, hollow, and silver. It's hard to see in this studio lighting, but with the way I have it set up right now, but it is silver and sparkly hollow mixed together. And I just thought it was a really fun and different mix, and this is just in the shimmer bundle. I love having the new scripts. You can kind of see the difference there between the shiny silver and the sparkly hollow, like in texture. So we do that to have a little bit extra different texture there, and I'm going to pair it with, I have some silver hole reinforcers I just saved from a Caress Press bundle, I think. And then I'm going to use some silver, a silver quote from, apologies, my alarm went off. I'm going to use some silver quotes from Plan With Me stickers. I don't know which one, maybe Let It Snow or Winter Wonderland in silver. Then I have some silver snowflake cluster deco, just to add in more of those from Sadie stickers. Just to add in more of that like snowflake stuff. And then in the bottom washi, I have this sparkly hollow, well, it's a chunky style hollow from Planet Choco. The winter scene washi, which you would have seen me use the street scene version in my winter street. But I'm going to use the other one, which is like more like hills and like trees, like a foresty area. I thought that would go perfect with this because we're kind of like in an outdoor foresty land. So it'll be fun to use both variations this winter of this foil, just in different of the design, just the different designs and the different foils. But I thought that would be really cute in the bottom washi. So that is my January 30th to February 5th kit. Then we're going to go from February 6th to the 12th, and I'm using Pillow Talk from SPC. This was Valentine's Day art from Sadie Piper, and it's just a really cute Valentine's art with, some spicy details. I just really love the colors. I just want the colors all over me, so it's getting included. I wasn't sure, if you watch my haul, I wasn't sure if I wanted to use it for the monthly and the weekly, but I just didn't have anything else that would really replace it in my Valentine's lineup, and also I just really love the colors, so I want to use it. So I am, and I'm going to pair it with the Malibu confetti foil from SPC. This is a hot pink. she released some other more better matching foils, but I'm not gonna get them until halfway through Feb, so I'm just like, whatever. I think this hot pink goes. Like, there isn't quite a hot pink in the kit, but I think it goes with the overall like feel of the kit, right? I don't know. I might regret this, but I won't get those other foils in time to use it, so I think the Malibu hot pink will do just fine. I think once it's all down, like, it'll be all pinks and purples together and it'll look super pretty. So that was Pillow Talk for February 6th to the 12th. And then we have Valentine's week, which is the 13th to the 19th. And I'm using the Caress Press December Mystery Cherry Bomb. I love cherry, and I love, like, the food and like the diner kind of feel to it. I think it's just so cute and it's so up my alley, so I'm going to use this for Valentine's week. I love cherry Coke, I love fries. Luck loves banana splits, so I think this will be real cute to use for Valentine's week, and it has that pop of red in there as well for Valentine's. And yeah, I'm just really excited for the cherry feels. And this stack of onion rings. That's so funny. I do have like the ultimate kit here. And then I'll probably use one of that couple maybe. It's probably the closest, or I don't know. I could use one of these couples, and these girls are cute, so that's what I'm going to use for that. And I think I'm just going to bring in the foil that was paired with it from Caress Press, which is the Hollow Cherries. I know some people like, oh, I think gold and stuff would look better, but I know I'm feeling, the more I look at it, the more I feel like the Hollow will go with this. It'll be a bit more of a lighter touch and a bit more fun. I did buy her she did release this cherry bundle in other cores. So I did buy them, but again, they're at my box, so I won't be getting them in time for Valentine's Day. If I do, theoretically, then I might change this to the gold foil. Although I'm using gold the week after this, so probably the hollow is fine. Or even the silver, I don't know. But I can live with the hollow, and it's just a cute cherry design to go with the cherry kit, so why not? And the hollow will be a bit more subtle, I think. So, love that for Valentine's week. And then our last kit for this one is February 20th to the 26th, because the next week after this is like, there's only 2 days of Feb, and the rest is March, January, February, March. Yes, so that is crazy. Like, the year is already disappearing. But I am bringing in this kit from last year, which is XOXO from Caress Press. And this is my Valentine's art for last year. Or the year before, I guess, technically. Technically, Valentine's tends to go out November, December. So, yeah, from the year before. But I used Scribble Prints Co version last year, and this is in my collection. I bought both versions. I'm like, screw it. I'm going to use this again this year because I didn't have anything else that was really as, like, fun and, like, cute as this. I don't know. There wasn't a lot of, like, I don't know, adult Valentine's Day this year. Not a lot of Valentine's Day overall, I feel like. So, yeah, I'm just gonna reuse this art, and it's a different set and completely different colors, completely different take. So, I'm looking forward to using this as well. Like, this one's super bright, and you also have that red in there. So yeah, it's completely different to the SPC one, which is so great about buying for multiple shops and like releasing art to multiple shops to see what they do with it. And I actually want to do a minimal foil thing with this. I didn't love all of the foil designs that I had. I wanted to do gold, which I did last time. And I used Caress Press's like Cupid romantic, the Cupid romance kind of bundle. And I didn't want to repeat the same thing. But I didn't love any of my other bundles. I wanted to keep with gold. And I didn't love like all the full box overlays and stuff that I had in my a la carte collection. So I went through my a la carte collection and I'm just going to do minimal. So I've got bougie boxes from SPC. I have date numbers from Sadie stickers just because I like I have them, I should use them up. And I really like the serif fonts. I have hole reinforcers. I'm going to use the confetti ones from SPC. I have these Caress Press little heart header overlays. It's going to focus. There you go. I think they're really cute and dainty. And then I just got these in from Planet Choco, which are her bear headers. And I'm going to use, I think, the arrows to the heart, I think. Or maybe the key lock, the lock, I don't know. Either one of those I'm going to pull in. And then I'm going to put a bottom washi of these heart, they're just heart outlines from SPC. This will also use up the sheet, which is great. But I was looking at, so I'll probably just put this on the peach, make it super soft, and then just leave the bottom washi without anything on it because it's quite an intense pattern, and I think that will be fine. And then I've just got some little heart decos from SPC, just the end of this. I could probably finish this up, as well as some cluster ones from the Giving Girl, which are really cute heart shape. Could probably use a few of those in like the bigger areas, but that's literally it. That's all the foil I'm going to use. So I have a little bit of, I have some deco to make it glitter throughout, and I have the bottom washi, just a little bit, headers to give it a pop. And then obviously bougie, but I'm not going to have any full box overlays. And I'm happy with that because I think it will really make the art shine. And this is also a premium matte, so I think it'll just look really pretty. And yeah, and I'm looking forward to having that as sort of a break between super shiny spreads between everything else. But that is my February lineup. We really go from the like winteriness to sort of like more girly, fun pink purples, and then really into the reds here. And then this is like red and pink and blue, and then we have like the peaches and the red. So really love this lineup. Let me know what you think down below. I'll be twinning for any weeks. I feel like there's probably going to be a lot of people using these two, Pillow Talk and Cherry Bomb. But let me know. I know I've seen a few people use Frosty in January, so that's cool. But yeah. Let me know if we're twinning any weeks or if we're just using the same kits. I'd love to know. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful week. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. I love you. Bye-bye.